Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be tackling the classic chocolate brownie. It's going to be a batch of brownies with the perfect crisp, crackly top, super fudgy center, chewy and gooey in all the right places. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information for the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new in my kitchen, don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and let's get started on the best, perfect, classic batch of chocolate yummy brownies. Now to get started on these delicious classic chocolate brownies, we want to go ahead, grab a large mixing bowl, and to that we're going to go ahead and add in our butter, our sugar, and our vanilla. Then we're going to go ahead and give those a quick mix on a nice low speed with our hand mixer for a good minute and a half. Once those are nice and combined, we want to begin to add in our eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. So we're going to add in one egg, mix that in with our hand mixer. Add in another egg, a little more mixing, our last egg, and a little more mixing. Finally, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in our cocoa powder. And back in with our hand mixer on a medium-low speed. We're going to mix that well into our mixture until it's fully incorporated and combined. For our dry ingredients, add in our flour, our baking powder, and our salt. And then we're going to go back in with our hand mixer on a low speed and incorporate that dry mixture into our wet mixture for a good 2 minutes until everything is fully combined and incorporated and beat in well. And after that, in a couple of quick easy steps, you have the perfect classic chocolate brownie. All that's left to do is to fold in all of our nuts, With our nuts folded in, let's go ahead and pour our batter into our prepared brownie pan. and then pop in the oven and let bake for a quick 20 to 25 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So it's been a good 25 minutes. Our brownies have baked. I let them cool in the pan for a quick 5 minutes, inverted them out to a cooling rack for another 10 minutes. But now it is time to slice into these delicious chocolate brownies. And when you slice into your brownies, you'll have a soft and tender, nicely gooey and chewy and perfectly chocolatey, yummy, classic, oh so good brownie. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun baking and sharing this classic, delicious, everyday staple chocolate brownie recipe. If you're a fan of brownies and everything chocolate, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more delicious, tasty, quick, easy, oh so good dessert recipes, definitely be sure to subscribe down below and ring the bell to turn on notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more delicious, yummy dessert recipes, like even more oh so good chocolate brownies I might have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own delicious, perfect chocolate brownie, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna grab a big cup of coffee, maybe grab a brownie or two, and some vanilla ice cream. Enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.